Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the error. Unable to log in, please try again later for your convenience. In 24 hours, you will encounter this specific error message in CapCut on your phone. As I just mentioned, you have this issue, and there are certain steps we need to take together. First, as you can see here, if you have some time, and CapCut is not essential right now, it's best to wait and relax. It's best to wait for these 24 hours, and most importantly, do not attempt to log in during this time, as you can see. If you try logging into your account once, twice, or even 3 times during these 24 hours, it will reset. The timer for these 24 hours will reset every single time you attempt to log in again. If you really need CapCut, you can try accessing your account again, but be cautious and wait for the timer to reset. You can try changing your internet connection, for example, if you are currently using Wi-Fi at home. You can connect to mobile internet, or, as you can see here, you might want to try this alternative method for better access. Go ahead and click here, then select the option to turn off. First, enable airplane mode, and as you can see, this will help you reset. In about 10 seconds, you can turn off airplane mode as you can see here, and just like that, your connection will be restored seamlessly. You can try using a different IP address to potentially remove the block, as you can see here, for better access. You can also try using a VPN and change your IP address. Alternatively, just access from a different device or network, as shown here. You can log in easily using either Google, TikTok, or through your email, as you can see here. So try these 4 options. Log in using a different method, and I believe you will succeed too. Just follow these steps carefully, and you'll be fine. There's an error. Try these 4 methods or even 5, and I believe you'll succeed, as shown. You will succeed, trust me. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and now, goodbye for now. See you soon.